Hi, my name is Shweta, and I'm a marketing analyst here at Pluto7, where we help customers across the globe optimize their business processes through the power of ML and AI. So if you'd like to find out more about how we help AB InBev implement a fully automated business process to garner over $10 million in savings, then just keep on watching. The effect of downtime, maintenance costs, and decreased or stagnant operations efficiency can take a toll on any business no matter how prepared they are for uncertainty. This can put a dent in their overall growth and inhibit the room for innovation, and in a world where competitiveness is key, it's important to run those processes as smoothly as can while still having the ability to stay ahead of the track. Pluto7's Preventative Maintenance ML solution, built on GCP, provides predictive capabilities to forecast failure and to determine the useful life by identifying patterns in the data that could indicate changes in equipment condition. With reduced manpower involved, Preventative Maintenance ML automates the nitty-gritty aspects of equipment capacity, freeing up time and reducing costs. AB InBev was one of the many companies to experience the magic that came along with the solution. It was getting harder and harder to track the quality of their large, expensive filter, leaving room for human error and bad beer quality. This was hindering their growth and took extensive effort to monitor until the solution was implemented. The prototype got to work immediately and was able to detect the optimal time to change the filter and any changes in pressure or turbidity. This fully automated process resulted in great tasting beer and over $10 million in savings for AB InBev. Take a look at this demo dashboard, which gives you, as a supply chain leader, a thorough understanding of the useful life of your equipment. With in-depth forecasting and prediction capabilities, Preventative Maintenance ML is your one-stop solution to making impactful data-driven decisions. Through the Google Cloud Platform, Pluto7 makes it easy for customers to understand Preventative Maintenance ML and how it can be easily implemented into their business processes. We give you an overview, of course a pricing breakdown, as well as tutorials to get you started, so check it out for yourself. If you want to become a Preventative Maintenance ML Pro, then check out Pluto7.com and our Preventative Maintenance ML page for various use cases and a deep dive on our customer stories. So there's no doubt that factory automation is the future of manufacturing. With the advent of AI and machine learning, streamlined processes have become the more efficient way to maintain quality and reduce waste. Preventative Maintenance ML takes all of that into consideration and builds systems for a more efficient tomorrow. Like what you see and want to find out more? Well, head over to Pluto7's Contact Us page and request a free 2-hour complimentary workshop to help kickstart your journey in ML and AI. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!